see if they can even come. They're saying the streets are very hard right now to even drive in. So let's hope we're not stuck in the cabin today. We found a snowblower in the garage. This right here. We just tested it out. Looks like it's working. So let's give it a try. Very tiring, lots of work, but this is our progress right now, guys. Huge improvement. We've made a driveway, sort of. Trying to take out some from the sides. We took a lot of snow out of here. We made a little driveway there, parking area. We might just get this done. We're praying, man, we're praying. So we got back up here. We're gonna bring this car down there. All right, pulling down.